ImageSnippets is the first of its kind image asset and metadata management system built entirely around knowledge graph technology. Thus, it is a true multimodal image graph platform. Why is this important? Well, the problem is that metadata gets lost or not applied to begin with when images are shared on the web. Images then lose their meaning. They become disconnected from what was important about the image, the context, and the content. And finding the right image then becomes difficult. And if monetizing your images particularly is your goal, that then becomes mostly impossible. The solution is to keep metadata unified, build image graphs. The patent-protected ImageSnippets technology works through a unique combination of AI and proven human knowledge capturing techniques. To maximize interoperability, it uses industry standards for graph technology and provides users with a publish once, share everywhere philosophy and one-click access to data, just like flipping over a printed photo to read the story behind the picture. AI can get us a long way, but let's look at this example in this slide. Here the image is in the ImageSnippets interface where the graph can be built by users with very little knowledge of understanding triple stores or RDF. The human here who described this image is a subject matter expert. They know about this image. If we compare it to what ChatGPT knows about this image, ChatGPT makes some great guesses. It guesses it's a Porsche 911. The car is actually a Porsche 912 built in 1969. It guesses well about the SCCA Sports Car Club of America event, but it does not know where the track is. It makes some pretty bad guesses, actually. And it also interprets the information on the side of the car as somewhat of a hallucination, suggesting it was built in 1973, when actually this is a WT and 1973 represents the weight. ChatGPT alone can give us things like mappings in RDF triples, but some of these are incorrect. The DBpedia resource racing car actually maps to the auto racing page URI. So that is not quite right. It's not quite accurate, not quite right. It gives us some very interesting information which can certainly augment an annotator in building the image graph. But when the two are put together, when the two ideas are put together, the knowledge graphs with the LLM technology, that's where the real power is, when keeping the unified metadata together and keeping it unified with the image and linked to the data in the image. That's where the real power is. This image can then be also shared. When it is shared, it can be flipped with all of the metadata. The triples can be seen. The triples that are also stored in the triple store and not just written in the HTML. And then this image can then be found many years into the future by being attached to this RDF and can be understood better by the LLM. Thank you.